our automatic meat slicer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 34.5 inches, a depth of 21.5 inches, and the overall height of 58.5 inches tall. Coming to the bottom side of the meat slicer, you have your functions: the main on-off power source, the stop buttons, along with the two blade and the two from functions. Coming to the bottom are also the two reset buttons. Meat slicer will run on a 110/120 voltage. Coming to the top of the slicer, measurements for the actual blade will include 14 inches in radius, and the top will be a compression that you can loosen or tighten the 3 separate bars to hold your slab of meat. So whether if it's to tighten or loosen the blades, when you insert your slab of meat for cutting, it can be placed here. And coming to the side will be a separate compression system which can be tightened or widened to adjust the height of the meat. So when the slab of meat is inserted in the center for cutting, 3 of each center bars can be adjusted, along with the compression, depending on the thickness and slab of the meat itself. And coming to the side will be a separate compression system to widen or narrow the side plate for the meat that will be dispensed towards the side. And coming to the front center will be the ETL certification, along with the technical specifications for this meat slicer. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.